To create a signature line in Google Docs, you'll start by inserting a one-cell table. Click the Insert menu. Hover over Table and select the first one-by-one grid. Inside that cell, type the signer's name, press Enter, and add their title on the next line. Now you'll remove the borders you don't need, leaving just a clean horizontal line above the text. Click on the left border to open a menu to edit it. With the left border selected, set its width to 0 points. Next, click the bottom borderline and do the same. Set it to 0 points. Finally, remove the right border the same way. Click off the table onto the document, and you'll see only the top border remains, forming your signature line. If you need to shorten the signature line, then just drag the right border in. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like. That's all there is to it, a simple signature line, ready for printing or signing digitally. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips.